my Just Learn on YouTube channel. Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel Just Learn on, which will receive all new videos notification. Androcles and the Lion, English Workshop, My English Book 8. Question number 1a. Match the phrases in column A with their meaning in column B. Column A. 1. Looking out for. Face to face. Summon up courage. Rage melted. Be moved by. In column B, the answers are trying to search for, in front of each other, try to be brave, anger reduced, filled with soft feelings. In column A, there are the words or phrases, and in column B, there are the answers. Number B. Read the following sentences from the story. 1. They were bound by law to obey their master. Number 2. The kind man bound up the lion's injured paw. Number 3. The lion bounded towards Androcles again. The word bound carries 3 different meanings in each of the sentences. A has rushed forward, the B forced to follow, C tied up. Put the correct letter A, B, C in the boxes according to the proper meaning. And the answer is number 1 is B, number 2 is C, and number 3 is A. C. Now translate each of the 3 sentences A, B and C into your medium of learning. A. त्यांना त्यांच्या मालकाचे नियम पाळणे कायद्याने बंधनकारक आहे. B. त्या दयाळू माणसाने सिंहाचा जखमी पंजा घट्ट बांधला. C. सिंहने अँड्रोकल्सकडे पुन्हा झेप घेतली. Number 2a. Find from the story the antonyms, that is opposite words of the following. Number 1. Kind, cruel. Poor, wealthy. Slave, master. High, low. Punishment, reward. Unbound, bound. Tender, tough. Happy, unhappy. B. Find from the story 5 words that describe the sound made by the lion, and the answer is whimper, purr, growl, roar, groan. Number 3. Read the reactions that followed each of the actions given below. A. Androcles did not like his cruel master, so he escaped from the clutches of his cruel master. The lion looked at Androcles viciously, so he moved very cautiously towards the lion step by step. C. Androcles bandaged the lion's injured paw, so the lion licked his arm. D. A hungry, ferocious lion was released into the arena, so he was certain that this was the last day of his life. E. The lion reached Androcles and it began to purr and rub its nose against him. F. The emperor asked Androcles what other rewards he would like. So the Androcles replied that he wanted lion to be set free. Question number 4. Write in your own words 3 to 4 sentences about each of the following. Number 1. The condition of slaves in ancient Rome. Answer. In ancient Rome, the kings, noblemen and wealthy person used to keep poor people as their slaves. They were compelled to work for their master. The slaves had no freedom and right. They were starved, beaten and whipped cruelly. They were subjected to barbaric punishments for no faults of theirs. Question number 2. Qualities of Androcles. Answer. Androcles was kind, gentle and courteous man. Androcles disliked to be a slave. He wanted freedom from his cruel master. Androcles was not a coward but a brave man. He was very compassionate and sensitive. He could not see the lion in pain. He nurtured the lion till it could not walk. Androcles was not selfish, so he asked the emperor to be set free. The lion also. 3. Even wild animal can be our friend. Answer. Wild animals kill the other animals to satisfy their hunger. This doesn't mean that these animals are heartless. If you stay in their company and shows love on them, they too respond to you in the same way. The animals can be very kind, gentle and loving. They are trustworthy and will sacrifice their life to save the master. Dr. Prakash Amte has many of such a wonderful friends living with him in Hemalkasa and Bairaghar. Question number 5. Narrate to your class any short story about kindness to animal or how animals can be kind to humans. Write down the story in your notebook. Give it a title of your own. म्हणजेच प्राण्यावर दया करणे किंवा प्राणी माणसांशी कसे दयाळूपणे वागू शकतात ही गोष्ट तुमच्या वहीत लिहून तिला योग्य शीर्षक द्या. Answer is, Tommy was a dog living with Rathor family. It was kind and loving to all the family members. One day, Rathor's wife was working in a backyard and Tommy was sitting nearby and watching over her child in the cradle. When Rathor came back from his work, he saw the baby's cradle turned upside down and blood everywhere. He saw Tommy lying quietly with blood on his mouth and body. He got so angry that he picked up an axe and hit Tommy. The poor faithful dog cried out in pain and died. His wife ran inside. When she heard loud cries, she rushed to the cradle and lifted her little son, who was perfectly safe and sleeping peacefully. Then she saw a dead snake lying nearby. Rathor came forward and realized that his dog had fought and killed the snake to save the baby. He realized his mistake, that he had killed his loyal dog without thinking. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe this channel. Just learn on.